Okay, the SketchUp assignment is as follows. What you should have is you should already have the file called Room 2014 on your flash drives. You should have got it in class. If you don't have it, you can just copy it from someone else, or you can download it off my tutor. This is my flash drive. I've saved it here, SketchUp, Room and Examples, Room 2014. Okay, this is what your room looks like. This room, what you're going to need to do for me is you are going to need to draw all the furniture that belongs in this room. Okay, you can decide, is this a kitchen, is it a living area, is it a bedroom? You can decide whatever you want, you can put it in here. Now, just to give you some idea, this is some of the assignments I got last year. Okay, I haven't selected these are just one group's assignments. Let's check it out. Okay. Okay, you get the point. So you need to decorate the house as best you can, all right? The reason the lady is there is the lady is there for scale. I'm going to be looking at, are your items scaled correctly? All right, just on this house quickly, what I don't want is I don't want you adding, let's go back there, just pause that. I don't want you adding any architecture to my house, all right? You can do whatever you like inside there, but you mustn't add extra things, because what happens is I don't end up seeing these and I don't mark them. So I'm looking for scale. Are the items scaled proportionately to the girl? Okay. The other thing I'm looking for is creativity. How creative have you been? And I'm looking at the skill level of your Google SketchUp. Okay. What is your skill level? The final thing I'm looking for in your rooms is this chair. That advanced chair that we drew in class. I'm looking, every single house needs to have at least one of those chairs in your room. Okay, so it's up to you. You can be as creative as you like, or you can go crazy, all right? In fact, please go crazy. So there we go. There's the room. It's empty. If I wanted to say I wanted to draw a table, right, to put in my house, my room, I'm going to open a second Google SketchUp quickly, and I'm going to draw the table in Google SketchUp. So let's draw the table, give it some height, all right, and underneath, let's draw legs. This is a pretty big table, nevertheless. I just want to erase this. Oops. Okay, draw that 250 by 250. Right, now we're going to give the leg some height using the push-pull tool. Okay, whatever, this is just for an example, so it doesn't really matter. Okay, once you've got your item here in Google SketchUp, you're going to turn it into a component, and that's very important because otherwise moving the items around in your room is going to be very difficult. So we select the entire object, right click, make component, and I'm going to call it table. Right? Now you save this onto your flash drive, please. I'm not going to save it because I don't really like this table, but you need to save it onto your flash drive. Once you've made it into a component, you're going to select it. Under edit, you're going to say copy. Then you open your house, you say edit and paste. And there is my table. If you need to resize your table, you're going to use the scale tool over here. There it is, scale, and you can scale the table. You can make it wider, narrower, taller, whatever you need. You can just use the scale tool to make it bigger or smaller in your room. At the end of the day, I want to see as much furniture as I can in your room. You've got this week, next week, and next week Thursday. Let's check what the date is over there. So not this week Thursday, next week Thursday, the 20th of March is your due date to submit these to me. You will submit it at the end of your class time. So you've got this whole week to work on it, and next week Thursday you submit. So that, ladies and gentlemen, is your assignment in a very brief overview of it.